Dr. Jacob, as his education, he completed his PhD in Tata Institute, and he is undergraduate and postgraduate at NIT Calicut.
Wow.
That is his greatness, because and well experienced both industry as well as in academic. He is having 10 years of experience in NITC Calicut, and he is having the industrial experience at HP. HP. This is about him, and he is very good at academic as well as the administration.
Thank you so much, Abdul sir. And Abdul sir was mentioning about Dr. Jacob Agustin. Sir, what a lovely dean we have, and he spoke so much high about you. And please tell us more about yourself. Where are you from, and where did you finish your schooling and college and all that?
Yeah, thanks for this opportunity. So I am Jacob. So I did my graduation from NIT Calicut. Then I did my masters from IIT Madras. So after that, I joined as a faculty at NIT Calicut. So then I took a break and went for PhD in Indian Institute of Science. So after that, for 1 year, I was abroad for my postdoctoral fellowship. So after completing the postdoctoral fellowship, I switched to industry. So I worked for about 20 years in Hewlett-Packard R&D and Sasken Communication Technologies. So after that, I thought of Garvapsi, coming back to teaching. So I joined a college. Then from there again moved to a university.
Right.
That's about me.
but Calicut, then IIT Madras. How is the language things coming up with Ningada Maluate, Pachina Avade Tamil Samsarikaningil? How did you cope up with those things?
No, but of course in campus you don't need any other language other than English.
Yes.
But I can speak and understand Tamil.
Right.
I can understand Kannada also.
Okay.
Because I am living in Bangalore for 25 years.
Oh, fantastic.
Okay.
Okay. So it is so nice to have different places along with you, and it is nice to have lovely team, I must say, because you have 4 programming chairs under you who are so importantly and supporting you and all that. With those programming chairs, can we just get an intro with them and then just move along with those lines, please?
Yeah. So in our section there are 4 program chairs.
Right.
He's Dr. Jayachandran.
Hello.
Hi.
And he's Dr. Anandraj.
Hi.
And he's Dr. Sandil Kumar.
Hello.
Hi.
And he's Dr. Deepak Sakari.
Hi.
So we are handling various allied computer science branches.
Right.
So it's grouped like that, and we manage those branches.
Fantastic. So what we'll do right now is we will take the tour, and we will show the labs of what the Allied CSE department is all about. So we will walk out from here, and in the labs we will talk about what the different programs that we are trying to do. Right, sir? We'll do that. Done. Okay. So we have Dr. Jacob sir also, and we have entered a fantastic lab. So first of all, tell us, among all the 4 programming chairs under you, who's more close to you? Who's more very, very sincere? Who's more very, very all the time available on the call?
Yeah. So
Tell me here, sir. Tell me here.
These are I don't want to create conflict in the team, so I treat them.
I was only asking to know who should I make them talk first. That's all.
No. So we'll start with Sandil,
Right.
and he is handling both few BTech program and 2 MTech programs. So he can explain about that.
Yes. Sindhu sir. So as Jacob sir said, you are very close to him, and that is why you're talking. That is why maybe you're talking first. No, I'm just joking. But creativity, intelligence, and having fun. That is what all Allied CSE is all about. Fantastic. Sir, about your MTech and BTech program, sir, please go along with that, and please mention us. And as we are talking, we will also move along the lab, and we'll keep walking and talking. Where did you study from? Where are you from? And where did you bunk classes? I want to know. Please tell.
No, I basically am Tamil Nadu. So
But don't bunk classes.
no. Sometimes that will happen. In UG time, when we are studying in UG. So UG, PG I completed Annamalai University in Tamil Nadu, the famous.
Lovely.
And PhD completed in Chennai.
Okay.
Then I recently completed my postdoctoral fellowship also in Malaysia last month.
Okay. Right. So having so much experience coming into Presidency University and under Jacob sir, how is this about, and how happy you are, how excited this is all about? Please tell us.
Here almost I'm 20 years of experience, rich experience. So under Jacob sir I am working, I am very happy because we are working on family like that only. Because we need to together anytime we will discuss any department activities. Mainly we are focusing on the student related activities, their co-curricular activities. Like that we are discussing, lot of discussing going on. Because now this is a new technology, our under my programs. All the programs are new technology programs. So BTech blockchain, BTech DevOps, BTech Big Data Analytics, and MTech AI and Data Science. These are the programs. I am leading the program chair.
Fantastic. And also along with you, there are many other program chairs also. So now you should tell who's close to you so that they'll talk next.
Almost everyone.
Almost everyone. They are not letting out any secret. They are not letting out any secret. So what we will do, we will ask, sir, please come up, and we will talk everybody. So what's your profile and where are you from? And it will be really lovely to also walk along and then talk. Yes.
I am Dr. Deepak S. Sakkari. Yes. I am from Bangalore only. Okay. I did my BTech and PG from Bangalore University.
Oh, okay.
And I did my PhD from JNTU Hyderabad.
Right. And we know that you're just come into this position as a program chair. Yeah. You are new to that chair. Yeah. Is the chair hot or is it cool? How is it?
No, it's okay. No problem.
I want to know how the because it's a new role and how many lecturers are under you reporting into you, because it's a big team that you will be handling now, right?
Yeah, now almost 6 to 7 faculty will be under me. Right. They are reporting to me. Right. And I'm in charge of artificial intelligence and machine learning program. Fantastic. So it's demanding today, trending technology.
Correct. So all the students that they'll be joining our allied branches on CSE, there is so much happening with the programming chairs explaining so wonderfully about their programs. Sir, also what is that one core thing that you feel students will come and get in and get placed out of allied CSE programs that they are taking up?
It's Presidency University.
Right, there you go. That's the name.
It has its own trend, right? So you see infrastructure. Okay. Whatever you see, as soon as you come into Presidency University, you feel that you are in a different place.
Fantastic. Very true. I completely agree with that. Yes.
And you just ask any student, nobody tells I'm not happy. Every student is happy. Correct. Right, because not only technological wise, even other activities, they are very happy.
Correct.
Right. So look at the placements yesterday. It's very good.
Correct.
Right.
Yes, we want to really talk about those placements also, and also along with them, we'll be talking to your colleagues also. Sir, please step forward, and we'll keep on going along with these lines. What programs do you handle, and does Jacob sir give you good leaves whenever you ask? Yes, he gives. He gives or no? Tell the facts.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the programs that you handle, sir? Yes.
I am Dr. J. Chandran. Right. I am completed PhD in Anna University, Chennai. Right. Also UG PG completed in Anna University, Chennai. Okay. I am also guided many students in Anna University, Chennai. Also 8 students are completed PhD under my guidance. Okay. Here last 2 years I am working here. I am very happy to working in Presidency University. Okay. Because it is a very good environment. Right. Also that is naturally it is very good place in Bangalore.
Yes. We are actually in the lap of Mother Nature. Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Also a lot of placements are available in Presidency University.
Right. So what are the programs that you handle, sir? We'll just keep walking along with these lines and we'll be talking. Yeah, what are the programs that you handle?
I am under BTech Data Science. Okay. And also BTech Computer Science and Technology. Right. Both course under myself. Right. I am the program chair. Okay. Under the guidance of Jacob sir, I give good guidance to the students. Right. Super. So Data Science is a multidisciplinary branch because it has a lot of job opportunities available in the market. Okay. So it is a very good
fantastic. Superb. Lovely to talking to you also. And also we have sir, you are talking in the last. That doesn't mean Jacob sir doesn't like you. He likes you a lot. That is why. Sir, tell us about yourself, please.
See, I am Dr. S.P. Anandraj. I was joined as in 2019 in Presidency University. Earlier I was covered different states and countries. That is my exposure of my educational is from Tamil Nadu, completed. and working different states like Andhra, Telangana, and Karnataka and Kerala.
Oh, fantastic. Sir, among all these labs, I will also ask Jacob sir to please, step forward. Sir, we have so many labs under you, and I want to know, so please, how many labs under the Allied CSE programs that is happening? Because we see so many, systems around, we see so many labs around, and you should also be telling us what is your personal favorite lab under you.
Yeah, actually, personal favorite lab will be the subject which is very close to my heart.
Yes.
Okay.
What is that? Hey, you don't see them. You used to tell. What is that?
Okay, I generally like theoretical subjects. So, and the lab, I used to go to Python lab.
Okay.
So, I think last semester I taught Python. I like Python programming.
Right.
So, I myself code also.
Oh,
So, that is my favorite lab.
Oh, fantastic, sir! With so much of infrastructure around for people who are watching our official channel here, what is that one thing that we will probably tell them that okay, Allied CSE is this is what your career will be. This is how you will be making your living out of. So, what is that one thing that we will need be telling this?
Yeah, Allied CSE, we are giving importance to all foundation course in computer science.
Right.
That is taken care.
Right.
In addition to that, we are giving extra subjects required to get the flavor of each branch.
Right.
So these are the two aspects. Foundation will be strong,
Okay.
and the specialization will be covered to the required depth.
Fantastic.
And some of the areas have a lot of demand in the market. So people should be able to get good placement if they do things well.
Right. That is what we all programming chairs under the Allied CSE branches we are supposed to do. Sir, also all the lecturers and all the students along. So, what is that one thing that keeps motivating you always day in and day out to keep, because subjects is definitely going to be the same, but students keep changing every day, every year, different classes, different things. What is that according to you as a personal person that keeps motivating you always? Of course, it's your lovely subject, interested subject to teach, but apart from that, what is that one big motivation that you have?
So in motivational point of view, what is the current recent industry needed?
Lovely point.
Now so market needs our university now 4.0 our motto is.
Yes.
So we are focusing on what is the industry needed, because all the courses are fully lab based courses only, fully hands on training only.
Right.
So for example, you take big data analytics or DevOps or blockchain or AI or data science. So almost 80% of courses we are conducting lab based only. Because once they are entering to the industry means, so they need to do the hands-on training. For example, last week also Capgemini drive happened.
Yes.
Almost 200 students are selected.
Yes.
Now the TCS training also going on.
Correct.
So we are mainly focusing on everything on hands-on training, industry based only.
Fantastic. So it's all there for everybody to come and get in our Allied CSE courses. Dr. Jacob sir is there, the associate dean, and under him the program chairs, and under them there are so many lecturers also coming in, faculty members coming in. It's a fantastic team that will be serving all our students that they are coming inside. Sir, fantastic talking to you. And Jacob sir, after they have spoken well, now you will be the judge on who spoke well about the department, and you need to select the winner. That's it for now on this video. Thank you so much. Keep watching for more videos. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. Thank you.